Good afternoon, one and all. Myself Joshna. We are studying ninth standard. My topic is types of triangles.
My name is Deepuja.
My name is K. Saumya.
My name is Vasadina.
My name is Tinchi.
Types of triangles. Triangles have two types. Sides of angles, sides of base of sides, base of sides, base of sides, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. Base of angles, right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle. This is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle have two sides equal, one side not equal. This is called isosceles triangle.
This is equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, all angles are equal. Then it is called equilateral triangle.
I am explain about scalene triangle. Scalene triangle is